This is the Crystal X8 frame from Esports. This is the latest entry in our ever-growing lineup of crystal cabinets. So as you can see, we built a PC in the Crystal X8 frame. So I mean, I don't know about you, but this looks really beautiful to me. The overall, how the PC came together. So first of all, the panels, they're completely toolless. So whatever panel you're taking off, whether this is the top panel, front panel or the side panel, everything, you do not require any kind of a screwdriver. Everything can be taken out by the hand. And the finish itself is really premium. It's a brushed aluminum gunmetal type of a finish, which looks really nice and really premium and also feels really good at hand when you're building. First of all, let's talk about the fans, because that is kind of the highlight of the Crystal X8. So these are monoframe fans. So first of all, these three side fans and the bottom fans, they are by default reverse blade fans. So you're getting 6 intakes fans here, and the rear 240mm fan, that is a normal exhaust fan. So by default you're getting 6 intakes and 2 exhaust, and even if you add a liquid cooler, you are still in a positive airflow configuration. So that actually ensures less dust inside the case while keeping your components really cool. And also, if you want more clearance in the bottom, this can be shifted to outside, so bottom of the case. So in that case, you'll get a nice underglow along with a lot of clearance inside the case. So that is the option that's there. So the IO ports are very modern and very simple. So you have one Type-C, 2 USB 3.0 Type A ports, 1 combo jack for audio, power and reset buttons. So that is pretty standard. But also this entire panel, this can be shifted from top to the front. So this panel, they can be interchanged. So if you want the IO in the front, you can do that, or if you want the IO on the top, you can do that also. So that is a very convenient feature, I think. And also, I mean, this is a standard dual chamber design, something that has been followed by the industry since the days of the O11 Dynamic, the first one. So cable management is absolute breeze. Also PSU in the second chamber, and you can add hard drive and 2.5-inch SSDs as well. So that is there, and a lot of mount points in the back chamber for you to tie down the cables. Also, if you have a bigger GPU, internal GPU SAG bracket is included, so you do not need to buy or get any kind of an extra SAG bracket. So if you have a bigger GPU like a 5090, 5080, you do not need to add any kind of a third-party SAG bracket. That is just installed with the motherboard. You can just pull it up and fix it in place. The fans are ARGB, and there is a ARGB hub installed. So for these 3 section of fans, you have 3 cables going into the hub, and from there you can just sync it through your motherboard software. No problem. The hub is included. You do not need to use any kind of a third-party hub along with this. So like I said in the beginning, the Crystal X8 comes in 2 variants. One is the frame, which is what we have here. And the frame name is due to this kind of an exoskeleton style frame design. And we also have the Crystal Arc, in which you do not have any A pillar and the front glass is curved. So basically that is an enhanced version of the Crystal Arc that we launched last year. So I mean, go ahead. I mean, these cabinets are available pan-India with all our retailers. And also if you are into e-commerce, you can go to our partner websites, or you can go to Amazon to buy this for yourself. So anyway, expect the video for Crystal X8 Arc soon. But right now, this is me signing off, and I hope you really like this build. Thank you.